Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make fluffy spring onion omelette with special ingredients. Hope you like it. Ingredients: eggs, bread, spring onion. The special ingredient is bread. Cubes spring onion. Crack eggs into bowl. Add spring onion. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Tear bread into small pieces and add in the bowl. Mix all ingredients together. Add egg liquid. Fry egg until bottom solidifies. Once bottom solidified, remove egg to plate. Flip plate and place egg into wok. Fry until egg are fully cooked. Spring onion omelette is ready to be served. Fluffy bread egg tastes so good. By the way, if you are looking for delicious egg recipes, welcome to check out my egg recipe playlist where there are 266 recipes waiting for you. Eggs are a source of pantothenic acid, phosphorus, vitamin A and folate. In addition, eggs are high in protein, monounsaturated fatty acids, vitamin D, vitamin B12, biotin, riboflavin, selenium and iodine. Eggs can provide hydration due to their content of vitamins A and B, which are known for their moisturizing properties. Benefits of eating egg white for skin hydration are particularly noteworthy, as consuming egg whites contributes to maintaining the skin's barrier function and retaining moisture. Eggs provide a valuable source of quality protein while also containing 13 essential vitamins and minerals, alongside necessary omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. And because hair is 80% protein, applying protein-rich eggs to hair and help replenish the protein lost through styling, making hair stronger and better able to stand up to heat. Is spring onion good for health? Yes, spring onions are good for your health. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like potassium and iron, offering numerous spring onion benefits including improved digestion, diabetes, weight loss, skin, bones, and immune support. Is spring onion good for skin? It contains an active compound in onions called allicin, which is a good skin cleanser and an excellent anti-aging agent. Being very low in fats and calories, spring onion or green onion are considered weight loss vegetables. Also, the fiber in them gives you the feeling of fullness, due to which you do not eat much, and it promotes weight loss. Bread contains carbohydrates, and carbohydrates contain a substance called tryptophan, which can relieve anxiety and tension and help people fall asleep easily. At the same time, it can also relieve migraines and reduce people's sensitivity to pain. The sugar, chocolate, and various jams in bread can make people happy. Therefore, many girls prefer to eat sweets, especially when they are in a bad mood, and like to use sweets to change their bad mood. Will eating too much bread make you fat? No, bread is low in fat 1–2 mg and contains 2–3 mg of fiber. In fact, bread may help you control your weight. For example, high-fiber whole wheat bread will not make you fat, even if you eat a lot of it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.